Crap. Good morning. Oh crap. I'm late to work. It's time to go sand and prime and do stuff. Okay, today we're going to be getting a little more into the primer. Tried priming some of it yesterday with a foam brush and that sucked. So today we have a Worcester Pro 100% nylon blah 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 smooth even finish real brush. So let's get into it. Let's see if this does a little better. Oh yeah, absolutely. Plans for this area which have nothing really to do with paint. So we don't really care if this is pretty. We just care that it's protected.
Free, but ready to flee from this all. The ground left me on the floor. Hard to resist, got me looking like this, like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong, 'cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong, and he's always there for you. Must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. I keep living alone, way so far from home.
if I were you, I would not want to watch me prime every bit of this. It's boring as hell. So, I don't want to prime every bit of it either, but here we are. So, you know, I guess I'll just prime all this on my own time. And that's fine. Some of this is going to get paint and some of it's not. I have an idea for my backsplash. We'll see how it works out. I'm not sure. There are some, you know, there's always something. There's always something. Some things that I need to think about. So, yeah. Okay. So I'm going to sign off. Oh, have you ever gotten one of those kids' nonsense songs stuck in your head and it will not go away? I've had one stuck in my head for a couple of days, and I thought I'd share it with you because misery loves company. It goes like this. Father's name was Ferta, mother's name was Liza. When they had a little child, they named it Fertilizer. B-I-N-G-O, go bingo, B-I-N-G-O, go bingo, B-I-N-G-O, go bingo down on the bingo farm. Why? Why? Okay, it's time to show you my countertop wood. Okay, this is a piece of old growth redwood root. I found it right up the road and I am just terribly infatuated with it. I love the grain, I love the color, I love the live edge. It is just a really nice piece of wood, and yeah, we need to sand this. Now before we start sanding, fiddling around, this is my Bluetti AC 180 power station. I have been using this for all of my electrical needs while I've been working on this camper, and it is a wonderful little piece of equipment. This is not sponsored in any way. This piece of machinery came with the camper, and I am so grateful for that. It's great. This is my little sander that I got from Amazon, because I'm not liable to use this, you know, a million times in my life, but I am going to use it now. And we are going to go between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 grits of sandpaper. I have those all set up. We're going to go between 80 and I believe to 400. 80 and 400. So we should get a really nice surface on this. And yeah, so let's just get going. We're starting off with our 80 grit. Along to our 100 grit. I'm not pushing down hard on this sander. I'm just pushing down hard enough so it doesn't jump. Moving it about an inch a second, because I understand that a lot of people use their sanders too quickly. So I am letting the sander do the work for me. 120 grit. Okay, we have now gritted ourselves through all of our sandpaper. Now I'm going to hit this with a piece of tack cloth just to get the crap off of it. I'm not done with this by a long shot. I have to order a couple of things, and then we're gonna do something with these little places that are cracked or dug in. Got bees out here, y'all. So I wanted to get this done so that this could just sit and rest for a couple of days. I know that's probably silly, but I have learned that taking our time and letting things be is generally not a bad thing. So, here we go. Let me get you a close-up. Ew, let me go wash my hands. Okay, and here we are after our sanding. She's nice and silky. So pretty. And like I said, I have plans for these little places. And these bigger places, it's gonna be pretty cool, I think. I have to get in and do my final measurements for where she's gonna sit. Decide exactly how I want it to sit. I think I know, but I'm not 100% sure. So yeah. Oh, and grit. I don't know how many of you are handy people or who work with sandpaper, so I'll just make a quick explanation. These are the ones I just used, so they're pretty cruddy. The 80 grit is very rough. You can see that, right? It's very gritty. It's very sandy. Now, as you go up through the numbers, the grit becomes progressively less. And you can kind of see that all the way up. I'm not going to go through all these. Through the last one, which is the 400, This is the 80. Now keep in mind this has been used, but see how harsh that is? And then this is the 400. This is the 400. You can see quite a difference in the harshness of these two. So you start here, and that gets off all the big crud. And then as you progress through the grits, you get to here, which is much more fine, and that's what makes, going through the grits is what makes your wood that nice, soft, silky feeling. Like you can't start with the 400 grit because it's too, the wood itself is too rough. So you start with the 80 grit and get the rough stuff off, and then you just progress through till you get to something really nice and smooth. I think I've probably got a 600 grit in there I could use, but I have a couple more steps to do on this, so I just wanted to get this done today because I've been itching to do it. So yeah.